In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a PayPal card. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can safely remove a card you no longer want linked to your PayPal account. This might be useful if your card has expired, you've received a replacement from your bank, or you simply don't want a particular card connected to your PayPal anymore. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Take a moment to make sure you're on the official PayPal site and that the connection is secure before you enter any details. Once you've logged in, you should land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is the home screen where you normally see your balance, recent activity, and other account information. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu panel. In that panel, find the option labeled Pay and Get Paid. Click on this. When you do, it will expand and show more options underneath. From those options, select Banks and Cards. This is where PayPal lists all the bank accounts and cards that are currently linked to your profile. After you click Banks and Cards, you'll see a page showing the different payment methods associated with your account. Look for the specific card that you want to delete. It might help to double check the last 4 digits and the card type to be sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you have more than one card on file. Click on the card you want to remove. This will open a dedicated page with more detailed information about that card, such as the card type, the last few digits, and sometimes the billing address. Take a quick look to confirm this is definitely the card you intend to delete, because once it's removed, you'll need to add it again manually if you change your mind later. Now, scroll down to the bottom of this card details page. There, you should see an option labeled Remove Card. Go ahead and click Remove Card. PayPal may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove it. If a confirmation message appears, read it carefully, then click to confirm. Once you've done that, the card will be deleted from your PayPal account. You should no longer see it listed under Banks and Cards. If you ever need to add a new card, you can come back to the same section and add it as a new payment method.